In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report PayPal payment disputes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, how to file a dispute, and where to track what's happening with your case. Let's start right at your PayPal dashboard. Open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account summary or dashboard. This is the main page where you see your balance and your most recent transactions. Make sure you're on this page before moving on, because all the options we need are linked from here. From your dashboard, look for the Help option. Depending on your layout, this is usually found at the top or bottom of the page, often in the main menu or in the footer. Click on Help. This takes you to PayPal's support area, where you can search for topics, contact support, and most importantly for this video, access tools to manage problems with payments. On the Help page, you'll see several sections and links. What you're looking for is the Resolution Center. This is PayPal's dedicated area for handling issues such as unauthorized transactions, items not received, or problems with what you bought or sold. Go ahead and click on Resolution Center. If you're prompted to confirm your login again, just sign in as usual. Once you're in, you'll see a list of any open or closed cases associated with your account. Inside the Resolution Center, you'll also see a link or button that takes you to your disputes dashboard or lets you report a problem. Here, you will find a list of your recent transactions. Locate the specific transaction you're having an issue with. This might be a payment you sent, a payment you received, or a purchase that didn't go as expected. Click on that transaction to start the dispute process. When you open the transaction, PayPal will guide you through a series of questions. You'll usually need to choose the type of issue, such as an item not received or something that doesn't match the description. Provide clear, honest details about what went wrong, and include any relevant information that supports your case. Once you've submitted the dispute, you can return to the same page to see status updates, read any messages from the other party or from PayPal, and respond if more information is requested. This Resolution Center dashboard is where you'll keep track of everything